Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2352. Today's date is 9th May 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे 11 वाजले. Alright, so what is I'm gonna tell you is that today what is exactly happened. Today I wake up at 7 a.m. and started doing work at almost like 8:30 a.m. Last night I started I put my file for upload, but eventually I didn't have that much battery left, so the upload won't really complete during the night. Okay, my phone was shut down during the upload. When I wake up at morning and see there is nothing, there is only 3 files are uploaded, then rest of the file are not uploaded. So what I did is that the rest of the file, like the whatever the file uploaded, I put it on the schedule, and then after that I make my shorts. I upload shorts, 20 shorts. And as also today is a day that I have to go to Vaibhav's. There is some sort of function at Vaibhav's, so everyone was gathered, everyone, friends and everyone, so we went there. And I just came. Okay, like basically I was there since 2 p.m, sorry, 3 p.m. And yeah, so it was really great time. I am not really worried about that because I already upload, like I already schedule all my file till the yesterday or day after yesterday as also. Okay, it was like a 12th of May, so I didn't really worry about that, but still that gives me a little bit of breathing space, so I have to do something like that. And as also my target is that I have to complete Tomb Raider till the end of Injustice 2. So I will try my best, but I don't think it will be possible. But yeah, because the Injustice 2 will be end soon. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. But yeah, I have to complete this Tomb Raider. And as also today I started a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Okay, and at the beginning it has a really very high engagement, like today I achieved 1000 subscriber. Yeah, so it's good. So I will set up a target from tomorrow. Okay, so from tomorrow to 5 days, so basically I have to achieve 1100 subscriber till the end of today is the 9th May. Let me open up calendar. Where is calendar? Where is calendar? Calendar. Okay, so today is the 9th May, and 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So I have to achieve 5 days, 1 2 3 4 5. I have to achieve 1100 subscriber till the end of 14th May. I try my best to achieve that thing. And as also as I say, like as also I set up a target, like I already decide that I already set up myself that I will be set up a target when I complete 1000 subscriber. So 1000, and then yeah, but still watch time is not count, but my strategies work. Okay, and I can get views on my playlist, so it's good and great. Yes, so I just have to keep doing those things. And I still didn't really get any YouTube short fund. I don't know why, but I'm not really worried about that. I just have to keep adding the subscriber, and let's figure it out. All right, so everything is good, is fine. And this is it. This is the end. This is the My Artifact episode number 2000. What will we do after this Artifact episode? First of all, I have to charge my phone and as also the laptop. Okay, and I already have remaining file of yesterday that I have to upload. And during meanwhile this time I have to edit some of the Injustice 2 file, and try to upload those files as also. And everything's good, is fine. And since I am not like basically I am not speaking English as much, like when, like what is exactly happen is that ki when I speak English more and more, when I get English, when I get in influence in English more and more, so I can talk English more and more. But eventually what is exactly happen is that during my daily routine and everything, I usually talk my native language or something Hindi language, or usually whatever I hear is Hindi or English is, yeah, English is became very very less. So I have to speak English more and more. So I'm trying, like basically in this artifact episode, every day I try my best to talk English. Yes, but since it's uh, like it's not really improved. Okay, so all right. So this is it. Everything is fine. Is good. So this is it. This is the My Artifact episode number 2352. Right now we are at Vadam, Maharashtra. Thank you.